Hello everyone. Now let's go for the factorization further with question number 7. Now in question 7 we have to group the terms. So we will take these two terms together and these two terms together. So we will regroup it, we will write it together, and this term we will write it together. But still it is not in the factorization form. Why? Because between these two terms there is a plus sign. Let's move ahead now. From this term, can you see anything common? X and x square. So x is common and y is common. So what is left out? 1 plus x. Now take this as one term and this as another term. Now out of these two, 1 plus x is common. We can see 1 plus x is in both the terms. So 1 plus x we will take it out. अब ये 1 plus x we have taken it out, तो यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? 1, because nothing is there, so only 1 will be left out, plus ये 1 plus x we have already taken it out, so xy will be left out. Now look at this answer. Both of them are in multiplication form, or we can say between the two brackets there is a multiplication sign. Now similarly we will proceed for this. We will group them like this. So x square plus xy we will take it together, and xz plus yz we will take it together. अब इसमें से हम कुछ कॉमन निकालते हैं. So what is common? X is common and x plus y will be left out. Plus इसमें से हम कॉमन निकालते हैं. So what is common? Z is common. So x plus y will be left out in the bracket. Now still it is not in the factorization form. अब देखिए x plus y is there in both of them. So we will take this x plus y common. And what is left now? This x plus this z. Now this is in the factorization form. In question 9, this is one term and this is, you will take it as another term, or rather we can say we will make the group. So what is common here? Plus 8 is common. So we will take a plus b in the bracket. Now out of these two terms, can you see anything common? Yes, a plus b is common. So we will take it out. And what is left? A plus 8. In question 10, if you will see, in first two terms you can't take anything common. Though we can take common over here, but in first two terms we can't take it common. So here we will regroup the terms. So we will combine these two together and these two we will write it together. So a square plus ab, we will rearrange the terms, and bc plus ac, we will take them together. Why we are doing it? So that we can take something common. So from this, a is common, so a plus b is left. From this, c is common, so b plus a is left. Now observe, a plus b or b plus a, one and same thing. So we will take it out, a plus b we will take it out, and what is left? A plus c. So a plus c. So this is the factorization. Now in this case, take these two terms together and these two terms together. आप जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपको समझ आता जाएगा हाउ टू do the grouping. Now what is common? A is common. From these two, a is common, so a plus 2 is left out. From these two, what is common? B is common, so a plus 2 is left out. Now out of these two terms, can you see anything common? A plus 2 is common. So we will write a plus 2 common, and what is left out? A plus b. A plus b. Look at this one. Take these two and these two together. So again we will regroup them like this. अब अगर आप यहाँ सेकेंड लास्ट टू टर्म्स को देखते हैं, minus is there with both of them, so we will take minus common and write the remaining terms together. So what we did, यहाँ दोनों में से हमने माइनस साइन को बाहर ले लिया. So minus is outside, so what will be left out? Positive sign will be there in the bracket, because minus से इसको multiply करते हैं, you will get first term, plus into minus, it will be minus, so you will be getting second term. Now from this, a is common, so x plus y minus, what is common from here? b is common, so x plus y. Now observe, can you see anything common? Yes, x plus y is common. So we will take it out, and what is left out? A minus b. So this is in the form of factorization. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.